Good morning, class 1. So you see, class 1 children, I have already completed chapter 6. Okay, hope children you all have watched the video. Okay, so you all will study very properly whatever I have sent. Last time I have given you all other exercises to do. Hope you have done and you have learned. Today children, in the video what I am going to tell you, today I will be writing the question answers and teaching you. Okay, and this only I will give you, okay, through WhatsApp to write down in your copy and learn it. Okay children, so let's begin. Oh, okay. And I think now your class teacher is sending you, okay, mail you have to create for Microsoft Word. After that, what we'll do, when you will create the account, we can have interactive class children. Okay, interactive means face to face, so that I can see you all and teach you. That will be quite good. Okay, now, so you see, so now I'm going to write the question answer and explain you. Okay, so first is about number 1. So children, 3 question is in your book and 3 question I have given from, okay, from inside the book. So 6 question total you have to learn. So first is name the key used. Name the key used to give space between words. Okay, now we're going to write the answer. So you see, name the key used to give space between the words. So I have already taught you children which key will help us to give a space between the word. That is your space bar key. So you'll write the answer, space bar key. Okay, so which key will help you to give a space between the word? That is your space bar key. Okay, now the next questions. What is numeric keypad? Number 2 children, what is numeric keypad? Okay, so this is your next question. What is your numeric keypad? Okay, so the number key okay, the number keys are used to type number. This is called numeric keypad. Okay, so this is your next questions. Number 2 it was. Okay, now number 3. So number 3 is, how do you type capital letter? How do you type capital letter? Okay, so how do you type capital letters? Okay, so we type capital letter with the help of what? With caps lock key. So the answers we are going to write down, children. Okay, we type capital letters with cap lock key. Okay, so 3 I have written. I will read for you all, then other 3. Okay, now see, so first question is that, so this is your chapter 6. Okay, so chapter is about your keyboard. So first question I'm reading, children, with the answer. See, name the key used to give space between words. So you see the question is asking that which key is used to give a space between the word when we type. Okay, while explaining, I have explained you that when we type a letter, okay, to give a space between the two words, we have to press certain key, and that key is known as your space bar key. Okay, children. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key space bar key. Okay, so once more I'm reading, please look. Name the key used to give space between words. Okay, NAME name, THE the, KEY key, USED used, TO2 GIV give space, SPACE space between, BETWEEN between words, WORDS words. Okay, I'm reading out the spelling for you. So name the key used to give space between words. So the answer is space bar key. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key space bar key. Okay, children. So this was number 1 question and answer. Now number 2. What is numeric keypad? Okay, see, WHAT, what, IS is NUMERIC, numeric, KEY key, PAD, pad. What is numeric keypad? Okay, now see the answer. Answer. The number keys are used to type number. This is called numeric keypad. So children, you see, I have already taught you that the number keys are from 0 to 9. Okay, so those numbers, whenever we require, we type the numbers key. So those number keys are called numeric keypad. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, they are called what? They are called numeric keypad. Okay, once more you see, what is numeric? NUMERIC, numeric, KEY key, PAD, pad. What is numeric keypad? Okay, the answer is the the number, NUMB number, KEYS keys are USED used to type, NUMBER number. Okay, this THI, this is called CALLED, called numeric, NUMERIC, numeric keypad, KEY key, PAD, pad, keypad. So you see, the number key are used to type numbers. This is called numeric keypad. Okay, children. So this was number 2. Okay, now comes to number 3. Okay, see number 3. How do you type capital letter? So children, how you typing the capital letters? Okay, you know, I have taught you. Okay, so you see in the keyboard, so while we write any paragraph or any sentence we write, we require capital letters also, we require small letters also. So the question is asking, how do you type capital letter? HOW, how, DO, do, YOU, how do you type, TYP, type capital, CAPITL, capital letters, LETTERS, letters. So how do you type capital letters? Okay, the answer. We type capital letters with cap locks key. So how we type, children? So when we have to type cap lock, when we have to type capital letters, what we do? We press the cap lock key. When we press the cap lock key, you know, on the right side of the keyboard, the light will glow. So when the light will glow, it will indicate that your cap lock is on, and at that time, whichever alphabet key you will press, it will come on the monitor screen as a capital letter. Okay, so this is, so how do you type capital letter? We type capital letters with CAPS, caps, LOCK, lock, KEY key. So we type capital letters with cap lock key. Okay, children. Okay, so how do we type capital letters? We type capital letter with cap locks key. Okay, once more you see, other 3 questions is left. Number 1, name the key used to give space between words. The answer is space bar key. Number 2. What is numeric keypad? The number keys are used to type numbers. Okay, this is called numeric keypad. Number 3. How do you type capital letters? Check the answer. We type capital letters with cap locks key. Okay, so children, I will be writing this. Okay, I'll be sending you all this. Okay, you have to write and learn it. So see, in video you look how I'm reading all this, so you must read. Okay, so you see, now we are going to do with number 4. Okay, now number 4. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Okay, now see, the question is which is the longest key on the keyboard? That you know only, very longest key, that is your space bar key. Okay, the next is which key is used to move to next line? Number 5. Which key is used to move to next line? Okay, that is your enter key. Okay, now children, number 6. Number 6 is which key is used to erase on the left side of the cursor? Which key is used to erase on the left side of the cursor? Okay, so which key is used to erase, okay, on the left side of the cursor? Any word you know it is a mistake, which key you will use to erase? So that is your backspace key. Backspace key. Okay, now children, see, I am reading out question number 4 and 5, 4, 5 and 6. So number 4, which is the longest key on the keyboard? So children, the question is asking which is the longest, okay, which is very long key on the keyboard, which is very long. Okay, so which is the longest key on the keyboard? So what is the answer? Space bar key. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key. Space bar key. Okay, so which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. Okay, next, number 5. Which key is used to move to the next line? So children, here the question is that which key is used to move to the next line? So you see, when you write anything, if your one line is completed, now how you will go to the new line? Okay, I've already taught you. So which key is used to move to the next line? So answer is enter key. ENTER, enter. KEY key, enter key. Okay, now number 6. Which key is used to erase on the left side of the cursor? So from, if you have done any mistake, okay, while typing, spelling mistake is there, error is there, so how, from which key will you use to erase them? That is your backspace key. BACK, back, SPACE space KEY key, backspace key. Okay, so you see which key is used to erase on the left side of the cursor? Backspace key. Okay children, so these all you will learn it. Okay, once more I am reading. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. Number 5. which key is used to move to the next line? Enter key. Number 6, which key is used to erase on the left side of the cursor? Backspace key. So I will give you all this, okay, to write. You all will write and you will learn it, children. Okay, this will be as you will write as a classwork, and you will learn it as a homework. Okay, children. So take care. Bye. Thank you, children.